Ang tagal naman ng Lasal to Ateneo na nakalasal, sir. Dito na guys, we're finally going to do it. It's finally time. From DLSU to Ateneo.
Dami-dami niyo reklamo. Ito na nga, papunta na kami.
Dahil Christmas season pa, magka-Christmas hat pa kami. Let's go to Ateneo. Grabe guys, 3-hour walk.
15 kilometers yan.
Tara na, let's go. Oh, you know us. We're going to Ateneo right now. Dahil Christmas season, Christmas decor lang ulit.
Christmas decor 1.
Let's go. Okay guys, since mag-Ateneo tayo today, we're gonna do dark blue counter. So, dark blue counter 1.
Light blue yun eh.
Dark blue counter 2. Christmas deco counter 3. Dark blue counter.
Maraming salamat.
Dark blue counter 5. Guys, explain lang namin ba't pinili namin Ateneo ngayon. Kasi tinignan namin yung comments. Tapos yun kasi yung pinakamadaming request. And dahil Christmas, ito na rin yung Christmas gift namin para sa inyo.
100,000 likes.
Inom namin yan. Uy, asan na tayo? Paano tayo tatawid? Paano na guys? Ito yung crosswalk pero sila, nawala yung crosswalk. Mga Christmas hat siya nagtatanong. Sobrang delikado nun. Don't try that at home.
Pero yun nga, para sa mga taga-atin na yun. Ikaw mo, butik na kami mamatay kanina. Uy, Philippines!
Philippines! Let's go guys, 2 hours na lang. What's time check? It's currently 10:17.
Guys, nagbabasa kami ng comments ngayon. Wala pa kayong klase, sincerely, medtech student. Meron, bumaba pa ng grades ko dahil dito eh.
Actually meron nga, pero we do all of our assignments early kasi.
Early,
So,
ako after eh, pre.
content, magpapagupit na si Jet. Guys, 100k likes muna bago magpapagupit ako. Kasi I'm in my long hair era tayo. Comment down kung kamukha ko si Jet. Why do I feel na kahit sobrang layo lang nilalakad nila? At sobrang pawis, ang bango niya pa din. Papakita na nga namin secret namin. To use Gatsby facial wipe.
That's the body water.
Guys, to use this, very simple lang. Get one sheet, wipe your face and your neck. Yan lang, very simple. Makes you feel fresh, makes you feel beautiful.
So ito naman guys, ginagamit para like malamig, para fresh yung feeling. Tapos kung gagamitin nyo, huwag masyado malapit kasi like malamig talaga to.
1, 2, 3. Boom. Very simple lang guys.
Tapos yung wipes para full package tayo guys.
Just refresh na lang.
Parang fresh na ulit ako guys. Let's go back.
Okay.